tears.
We're music to your ears.
We're the guys who love to figure things out.
What? We love to figure things
I
out.
said, you need some help, you just give us a shout.
Hey, movers, won't you help us out?
Imagination movers.
You gotta think about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta talk about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta sing about it.
I think what the situation needs is some imagination. Smitty's my friend, he's playing his guitar. Scott's got his goggles that help him see far. Dave's over there underneath the red hats. Now my name is Rich, I go rat-a-tat-tat. Imagination movers.
You gotta think about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta talk about it.
Imagination movers.
You gotta sing about it.
I think what the situation needs is some imagination.
Hiccups. Wow, it's almost 11 o'clock.
Already? And I think an hour ago it was just 10 o'clock.
11 o'clock is when the man from the radio station said our commercial would play.
Right, our commercial.
Gee, Rich, your voice sure sounds a lot higher on the radio.
That's not me. My voice is much lower than that.
Right, guys?
I don't think this is the right radio station. Maybe our commercial's playing on this one.
That doesn't sound like our commercial either.
But it does sound fun. Let's dance.
Yeah, two-step.
Guys, this is no time to dance. We have to find the right radio station before our commercial plays.
Ready to record more boring stories on tape, Uncle Nutnuts?
Yes, Nina. Oh, I just can't wait to see the bored faces on the children when they listen to my incredibly boring stories.
Boring stories on tape, recording session. Take number 1.
Once there was a plain boy who lived in a plain house on a plain street. What was that?
It sounded like a hiccup.
That's impossible. I don't get hiccups. They're much too exciting for me. Let's try again.
Boring stories on tape, recording session. Take 2.
There once was a plain boy who lived... I can't record my boring story like this. No one will be able to understand what I'm saying.
Maybe we need to take a break. I'll put on some music.
Oh, that's perfect, Nina.